In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add screenshots in Confluence. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture your screen, place the image on the right page, fine-tune how it looks, and publish your changes with confidence. First, let's capture the screenshot you want to share. If you're on Windows, you can press the Part-SCN key to capture the entire screen, or press Windows plus Shift plus S to open the snipping tool and select just the area you need. On a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus 4 to drag a box around the part of the screen you want. After you capture it, save the file somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a project folder, so you can upload it in the next step. Now, open the Confluence page where the screenshot belongs. Navigate to the space and page you want to edit, and click the Edit button, which looks like a pencil. This puts the page into edit mode so you can add content. If you're following along and you don't have Confluence yet, I've placed the official website link right at the top of the description so you can access it quickly. With the editor open, it's time to insert the screenshot. The fastest way is to drag the image file from your computer directly into the page editor. You'll see it upload and appear right where you dropped it. If you prefer the toolbar, click the Insert Files and Images icon. It may look like a paperclip or a small image. Browse to your screenshot, select it, and click Open. Confluence will upload the file as an attachment to the page and display it in line in your content. Once the image is in place, you can adjust how it looks. Click the screenshot to reveal sizing handles and choose a layout that fits your content. You can make it larger for emphasis or smaller to keep text compact. Use alignment options to center it or align it to one side for a cleaner reading flow. If context would help your readers, add a caption by choosing Insert Caption. Then write a brief note that explains what the screenshot shows or why it's important. When everything looks good, save your work. Click Publish to make your changes live so your team can see them. Give the page a quick glance to ensure the image displays correctly and the caption reads clearly. That's all you need to add screenshots in Confluence. If this was helpful, don't forget there's a link to Confluence at the top of the description. Thanks for watching.